Hi, I'm Cecil Hebert, Fixed Operations Director here at Toyota Cedar Park. I was the very first employee hired, and to this day, I'm still the most excited person you will meet who loves coming into work every single day. At Toyota Cedar Park, I have the privilege of leading an incredible team of service advisors and technicians who genuinely care about one thing and one thing only, that's you, our customer. We work in a state-of-the-art facility equipped with the latest technology to help us take the absolute best care of you and your vehicle. Here's what you can expect each time you come visit us. First, we're going to start with a complimentary alignment check, done right on the service drive. In just moments, you will know whether your vehicle is in or out of alignment, and we'll show you the results right there on the spot. Next, our technicians perform a full multi-point inspection. Here's the best part of it. It comes with a personalized video. That way you can watch it on your phone as our technicians walk you through exactly what they see, real time and transparent, and easy to understand. We believe you deserve to know what's happening with your vehicle. No guesswork, no surprises, just honest expert service. I'm Cecil Hebert, and at Toyota Cedar Park, we're not just fixing cars, we're earning your trust one visit at a time.